Okay, so in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a new YouTube channel. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, go to google.com, and then what you need to do, you must first click here, and you must uh, switch your account. Okay, so say for example, I have logged in using this account. So log in with your Gmail ID. So once you're logged in with your Gmail ID, now here you can type youtube.com. So as you do not have any YouTube channel, if this is a fresh account, if you have just created your Gmail account, okay, so here what you need to do, click on your photo, and then here's an option called create a channel. Okay, so click on create a channel, and here it is going to ask you your profile photo, your name and handle. So suppose I am here typing Tarun, clean POV, Tarun Agarwal POV. Okay, point of view, Tarun Agarwal POV. So this is the channel name, photo, and this is the handle. Okay, so create channel. Later on you can change your profile photo, and also handle and name also you can change later on. So once you do this, your new channel is created. Okay, so this is the channel, and now I can click here on customize channel, and then you can do initial settings, like you can upload the banner image which will show at the top when anybody visit your YouTube channel. So you click on upload, and here is the banner image which I have created, temporary banner image, my point of view like this. And I can also change my profile photo from here, and also this is a handle. I can also write the description. I must also write the description of this channel. In this channel I am going to share my point of view on various topics, on various trending topics. Okay, so this is the URL of the channel. That's fine, and I can also add the links. Like say for example, I want to add the link of my Instagram. Okay, title is Instagram, and here I can type my Instagram profile link. Okay, I can also write the email ID if in case anybody wants to connect with me. So for the business inquiries now, so for example, and I'm typing this digital networker Tarun for business inquiries. Okay, that's fine, and then I click on publish. You can also write description furthermore. Okay, but right now I've written only one line. So this is how your YouTube channel is created and customized. This is one time setting you need to do. You can later on you can change it as well. Now if I click on settings, so you must do these initial settings as well, like what will be the currency. So in my case I am into India, so INR. Then related to the channel, this is I'm creating my content for Indian audience, so India. Okay, and keywords through which people may search me. So maybe I can write Tarun Agarwal and then a comma. Okay, and then maybe different topics, like right now I'm leaving it alone. Okay, but yes, maybe you can type mindset, maybe you can type business, whatever is your channel like about, you can type the keywords. Okay, let me again go back to settings. So currency, then channel, then advanced settings. um, no, my channel is not made for kids, so I can select this by default settings. Okay, and then all these settings you can read, and you can keep it as it is. Okay, then if I go to feature eligibility, so leave it as it is. Upload defaults. So when you upload your YouTube video, so by default what do you want? I want my YouTube video visibility to be public, and tag, I always want this to be my tag. Okay, uh, POV, maybe example. Each and every video which I upload will have this as default tag. Then also video language. So for example, I want to create all these videos in Hindi language, so I will select Hindi. Okay, uh, caption I'm not writing, and again title and description language, I can keep it as English, India. Comments I want all on. Okay, and I want hold all. I want to hold all the comments. So first I will review all the comments whenever anybody comments on my YouTube videos. So I want every comment to be hold. Once I approve it, only then it must show below my video. Okay, show how many viewers like the video, that is also fine. Okay, like also I want to show views. Then permission, that's fine. Community moderation is also okay. Creator demography, keep it as it is, everything as it is, and then click on save. So this is how your YouTube channel is set up. Now next step is you can also customize your home tab, which means whenever you upload any videos, so how the videos are going to be displayed. So right now this is blank, no videos are here, so that's why it is not showing anything. So what I can do now, I can click here on create and I can click on upload video. I can start uploading videos on this brand new YouTube channel. So this is how this is how you can actually create a brand new YouTube channel. So once you start getting subscribers and also views, you can click on earn and you can see if you are eligible for monetization, YouTube monetization or not. Okay, so you can play around with all these settings, but I hope you understand these are the basic settings which you need to do when you create your brand new YouTube channel. So if you click on home tab, so you can say like home tab. Okay, when anybody open your YouTube channel, so how you want to place your videos, like you want your videos, latest videos to be at the top, your short videos on the top, or maybe past live streams, playlist. So accordingly you can shuffle it. Okay, so these are the settings. Okay, fine. So let's close this video. I hope you found this useful. If you have any question, you can put in the comment box below. Thank you.